What's good, YouTube? This Conjure Trading. Welcome back to another video. In this week's video, we're going to be about how I did this week, show you the news, and what I think Nas100 going to do this week also. So let's get right into it. Right here is my stats for the week. Well, my up-to-date Topstep stats for right now. Right now, I'm up 1900, almost 2,000 on that account to my $3,000 goal. So as I can see, I'm doing pretty good, almost there. So so far this week, I'm going to slow it down and take quality setups to try to reach the goal. I'm not going to be sitting it like I did last week. I was setting it this past week I was setting it, and my stats gonna be kind of screwed because I was just sitting trade after trade after trade after trade, but I was still just managing my risk. But I am going to slow it down this week and try to take quality setups. So that's basically, and this is my stats for last week. Last week I had 2 winning days and 3 losing days. But overall, I'm up for the week. So that's what I say. You manage risk. Your winning days is bigger than your loser days. You're gonna always profit. So that's basically what happened. So I'm finna let me show y'all my TradeAvate account. What I did this week. So TradeAvate, I profited this week $1,185. So that was a pretty decent week. So I don't have nothing to, I really profited real good this week. So that's why I'm happy about last week. So, but this week is going to be a new week. So it's time to get back down to my trading plan, manage more risk, because last week I managed risk, but still kind of risked a little bit more. But I know when to pull the plug, not let days get to me. But let's go back to the Topstep account real quick. Right here on the Topstep account. Yeah, so the stats is pretty, the loss day I should have stopped. I know what my loss limit is. Maybe I try to keep it low 250 for the day, but I was I got kind of desperate that day because I just had a big day and got kind of cocky. So yeah, I'll buy more at the top of the range instead of at the bottom of the range when I know it was gonna go up, but I was buying too high. So this is my top step in TradeAvate update to show y'all my stats and show y'all how I did last week. So like I said, I'm up 2,000 for the week. 2,000 total. So got $1,000 to go to reach my goal. So let's check out, see what type of news we got this week. Cause last week kind of slow on news. So let's check out this week. All right, with news this week, we got a couple days that got read for the news. We got no big news on Monday. Tuesday we have CPI, so market gonna move. You're gonna have a lot of influx of volatility on that day. So at 8:30 in the morning on that day, a good trading day. It should be, because you're gonna have volatility. It should get the zones that you need to take your trades. Wednesday, we don't have nothing. Wednesday is a clear day. Thursday, we got core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing, retail sales, and unemployment claims. That should really shake up the market also. Looking forward to it. And we got some speakers. We got a speaker, so he probably gonna shake up the market a little bit too on Thursday. And Friday we have, I guess they're gonna do the rebalance the number for the PPI from Tuesday on this day. It should shake up the market also in the building permits. And we got consumer settlement also, so it should be a pretty movable day for Tuesday. Thursday and Friday gonna be big moving days for the market, so should be pretty volatile on those days, and so you should be able to get to your zones you need to take trades. So let's get into what has Nas been up to for the week and upcoming week? All right, let's look at this beast that we call the E-mini Nas100. This beast right here is making all-time highs still. Last week, all we did was continue to go up and up. We currently are in no man's land, which means I have no levels where I think Nas100 will go. No levels of anything. So my goal right now is a retracement and then buy the dip. That's gonna be my goal. Is wait for a retracement and buy the dip each day, because right now I have nothing to base my analysis on, because we are currently at all-time high. So I want a retracement and I buy the dip. I don't. So every time Nas been retracing, they've been getting bought up and going straight up. That's all they've been doing. Like, even on the daily, you barely can find anywhere to. You had your chances, but this is like a week, almost 2 weeks ago, right here. This dip right here, and it's been up and up. You had little small days. Let me make the chart a little bit bigger. Like this candle day, this was a very range bound day. On Monday, the market barely even moved. Like, it was a horrible day. Nothing moved the market that day. So that was right after another all-time high day. So let's just be patient and let's see what it's going to do. Because as I'm going down each chart, I have nowhere to really like say a zone of interest right now. On a daily, we can, if we could get a nice retracement to here, because it's a very small gap on the daily right here. Let me keep, because it's so small, so I have to really make the chart bigger. This day, you know the gap, because it's been on a go. Right here, we got a daily February gap right here. Let me get it marked up. There you go, a daily February gap. And we might can retrace down there. Do I think we might make it that far down? Nah. But if we do, that might be a nice place to probably look for a buy. Because sales is going to be very, very risky. So let's head down. I'm going to head down to the 4-hour chart to see if I see anything else that look intriguing. At this current time, no. So that's like the main area that basically the best area that might look good to get into, because even on the 4-hour, it's just, do we think you're gonna get back down here real fast? No. It's a nice little gap right there, but that's too far up with that. But I don't think anything going to happen. Let me drop down to the 1 minute. The 1-hour chart. So yeah, it's very tight. It's just been grinding on up. It's not like quick pace up, but it's just been grinding up. So yeah, I say wait. I'm probably just going to measure the bottom of this wick right here, bottom of this to that, find 50% retracement, and try to see an area around there to get in. See if it retraces about 50%, and then try to get in. That's what I'm looking for, because right now I don't think sales. I don't think it doesn't give me no signs ready for a sell off. So until it shows me, I'm just buying the dip. Whatever dip I can find, I'm just gonna buy a big retracement, and then if there's a zone that I like, I'm just gonna buy it and just manage my risk. So at this current time, I have the outlook on Nas is just buy the dip. That's what I'm doing. You make your own analysis and see what you will want to do. So that's mine. I'm gonna buy the dip. Unless the market really shows me if it sells off, but it gotta show me something. Because I'm not trusting a sell unless it's short-lived sales. Like you get a 1-on-1, 1-on-1.5, and then you just get out. Don't try to hold it because it's been snapping right back. So that's my plan for this week. So y'all be safe in the market. Don't over leverage. Keep your risk good. And I'm out of here. Deuces.